Are you tired of spending your entire weekend mowing your lawn only to realize you still have to go back and manually trim all of the edges? Traditional push mowers and even most of the older robotics mowers demand too much time and physical effort. They mow the middle of the lawn, but they leave the edges and the trimming. Today, we are looking at a true game changer that stops the half-done job. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel Demir, and today we are looking at the Ecovacs GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro. I have been testing this machine out, and it's a premium robotics lawnmower engineered for completely hands-free experience. It is designed to complete the entire job, not just help with it. So if you're ready to reclaim your weekends, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the unboxing and build quality. Straight out of the box, you can tell this is a high-end premium piece of technology. You get the mower itself. Wow, it looks beautiful. The accessories and very impressive 189 watt charging station. This super fast charger juices the battery up in just 70 minutes. Which means minimal downtime. But the most important thing you will notice right away is the dome sitting on the top of the mower. This is the HoloScope 360-degree dual-LiDAR navigation system. This is the brain of the operation, and it completely changes how you set up a robot mower. Normally, setting up a robot mower is a nightmare. You must spend hours on your hands and knees burying a physical boundary wire around your entire property. And the best part is, with the GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro, we don't need them at all. It features an InstantGo setup that is completely wire-free. You literally just press start, and in about 1 minute, it uses that HoloScope 360 system to map your entire yard automatically in a single pass. It uses a 360-degree rotating LiDAR and 3D time-of-flight LiDAR backed up by an AI camera. This creates a highly detailed holographic map with 3/4 of an inch accuracy, even in the dark. There are no complex guides and no annoying RTK antennas that lose signal when they go under a 3. Now, look at the bottom. Now, let's talk about the biggest features of this machine and where it completely leaves the competition behind. The GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro is Ecovacs' first ever trimmer integrated robotics lawnmower. It features the fully automated TrueEdge Trimmer. It actually has your familiar edge trimming tool built right into the machine. It uses an AI camera and deep learning to intelligently distinguish the grass from non-grass areas, like your flower beds or fences in real time. It uses high-speed rotating flexible string to trim the edges automatically. It can ride slightly onto the boundary for a 3-0 edge cut or alongside it. You no longer have to follow your robot around with a manual handheld trimmer. Now, I do want to make one quick note about the sound. During regular mowing, this thing is whisper quiet. It won't disturb your neighbors even if it runs early in the morning. But when the TrueEdge Trimmer kicks in, you will notice the sound level increase. This is not a flaw. It's just sound of that high-speed flexible line edging your lawn. It is still much quieter than a traditional gas trimmer, and honestly, I'm perfectly happy to sit back and listen to it work while I drink my coffee. So, how does it actually perform on the open grass? Under the hood, this mower is running on a superior 32-watt high-powered platform. It features a gap-free dual-blade disc system that delivers up to 400 watts of cutting power. It moves fast at 0.7 meters per second, allowing it to cover massive 400 square feet meters every single hour. It handles tall, dense, overgrown grass with total ease, leaving you with a perfectly neat, carpet-like lawn. You can adjust the electric cutting height right from the app on your phone, choosing anywhere from 3 to 9 centimeters to keep your specific type of grass healthy. But what if you have a complicated yard, or if you have kids and pets leaving toys on the grass? That brings us to the 3D obstacle avoidance system. Powered by the Horizon X5 chip, it integrates AI vision and 3D LiDAR to recognize over 300 different types of obstacles. It can spot a soccer ball, a garden hose, and even small animals like hedgehog. It maintains a safe 5 centimeter buffer, and it automatically stops the trimming strings to protect people and animals. If your yard has hills, this mower can conquer a 50% slope, which is about 27 degrees. It can also cross barriers up to 4 centimeters high, so uneven terrain is simply not an issue. Let's quickly talk about the app experience. The map editor in the Ecovacs app is very user-friendly. You can add, merge, split, and delete areas based on exactly how you want your yard managed. You can set custom schedules, so front yard gets mowed on Tuesday and the backyard gets mowed on Thursday. The advanced algorithm automatically plans the most efficient mowing routines. And for maintenance, it performs reliably in all weather conditions. And when it gets dirty, it cleans up easily with a quick rinse. So, who is the GOAT A3000 Pro actually designed for? First, it is for homeowners with large lawns up to 3,000 square meters. Second, it is for busy professionals who simply do not want to sacrifice their weekends to yard work. And the third, it is fantastic solution for seniors who want a safe, quiet, set it and forget it system. And finally, because of the incredible AI obstacle avoidance, it is absolutely perfect for families with kids and pets. For the pros, the TrueEdge automated trimmer is a massive leap forward. Being able to automate the mowing and the edge trimming is a total game changer. The HoloScope 360 navigation is incredibly accurate and saves hours of painful setup. For the cons, the trimmer is slightly louder than the standard mowing mode, and as a premium flagship product, it is a significant investment. Additionally, the edge trimming accuracy could be further refined with more AI data integration, but if you value your time and you want a lawn that always looks professionally maintained without you ever lifting a finger, it is absolutely worth it. If you want to skip the half-done job and get a truly hands-free lawn, make sure you check out the link provided in the description. If you have any specific questions about how it works, drop them down in the comments below and I will answer all of them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Just boom, the light is on now.
Inset successful.
Now it's auto mapping. I just changed the moving height after finishing this area. You can see the difference. Even though my grass is very thick, it's moving very effectively. I put the speed on the minimum level. It actually moves very fast. As you see, it goes around the tree. It doesn't hurt the tree. It just goes around and move it.